Scott, we had a question about making sure that we have our keywords in our description. How many times should we be repeating those ones that we see from something like Marmalade? What are your thoughts on repeating keywords, and is it necessary?
It's not necessary. And I mean, Etsy has even said it in their handbook, is like, just you say it once, and then you're good. So if you're going to repeat it, is it going to hurt you? No, but you're taking up other areas of where you can, especially in the tags, where you're going to be able to include more tags that will allow you to be indexed for more types of keywords. And Etsy's smart enough to piece it together too. Like if you had like one or a two word tag, but then another one, you could also put it with the one that has the 2 words, it's going to know. It's just all you're doing is putting the information in there. So that way there, when they scrape the listing and they index it, you're going to start showing up for those keywords, even if it's a keyword here and a keyword here, right? Even if it's in the title might have a keyword at the front, and then it might be, another one in, maybe 3-4 words in, or you could reverse those. So it could be like, gift for garden lover, or garden lover gift. You don't have to say it exactly how it is in order to show up for those types of keywords. So I would not repeat them over and over and over again. And in the description, I always like to just fill it out with the information. And it doesn't have to be information like 12-ounce mug, because you think people are going to search for a 12-ounce mug. For the most part, they're not. So just make sure that in your description, it's descriptive. That's what it's for. And then from there, make sure your tags are filled out. And a great way to see what you're indexed for is to start running some Etsy ads against it, even if it's just to see what you're ranking for or what you're indexing for. And then that would be a great way to see what kind of keywords are coming up, because you'll see it. It'll also give you recommendations for tags inside of there. So there's some things you can do there. That's pretty cool.